Hello everyone and welcome to my unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing a beautiful box that came all the way from China. It is from Happymodel. And we are going to... What the heck? Why is the lid not there? Oh, it is. It's just covered by a pile of tape. So we're going to cut open this box because I want to open it up before my wife is here so she can see all the things I got. She's going to be like, why are you spending your money on these things? But this is like my last purchase of the year. I'm not going to buy anything else because I'm so poor, but I wanted to find out some things. Oh, we got the Mobula 7 1S. Yes, I hear this is the best. So we're going to be testing this out. And then we got the Mobula 7 1S. I hear it's the best. So we have to test this out. And then over here we have some motors that I think I wanted to test these motors out, the 102s. Very exciting. And then we have the Mobile 6. Oh, I'm so excited for this. It's so cute. I hope that it's going to fly very well. And on Sunday I'm going to do my very first race. So we literally have this, and I'm going to go from just having it to racing it. I'm thinking that I'm going to race the Mobile 6, but maybe I'm going to race the Mobile 7. I'm not very sure. I'm going to have to test these out. So if you were wondering, maybe I should buy the Mobile 6, or maybe I should buy the Mobile 7. Well, now I was wondering that too, and now you're going to find out because you're going to know. Then we have another whoop board. I hear these whoop boards are very nice and strong, so I want to get one of those. Yes. Okay. Then I have a charging board for the 1S batteries. Very excited for that. And then over here, what do we have over here? We have... What is this? Over here we have... Ay, mamacita! Yes, we have a flight controller. This is an okay flight controller, I think. This is the 20 amp one with the Fry Sky. Whatever that is. So... But we're not going to use that anyways. We're going to like use it for a flight controller, but we're going to put Express ELRS on it. Oh, this fell out. We're going to put this back over here. I hope you're all having a good time. I'm here in Canada where it's cold, so I figured we got to start doing some whooping because I hate whooping, but I'm going to try it again and see if I can like it. These are the Crux 35 motors, the 1404s. I just got another set of that because I've been, you know, killing and breaking everything and I don't want to be without a motor. What is in here?
What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can!
Oh, batteries. Yes, we have our little Happymodel batteries. We got some of the 650s and some of the... I don't know, what are the other ones? I don't know what they are. We got some batteries. We're going to test them out. Then we got some more propellers for our little guys because we got to try different propellers. I think, do we have two different kinds? I don't know, hopefully. Then we have some more stuff. We have our Express ELRS stuff. Over here, we have, oh, the OpenTX. Stop shaking, baby. Okay. OpenTX, VTX. The other OVX 306. OpenTX. I want to test both of them to see if one like more than the other. So, see, I'm testing out all these things so that you don't have to. All you have to do is subscribe, and I will tell you the truth, okay? I actually paid for all these things, okay? They did not give it to me. But if you're a company that wants me to test out your things, you can give it to me. It's just Happymodel is cheap, and so far I've had better experiences with Happymodel than TBS. Except for the time that my Crux 35 all-in-one blew up. But that was because I put some bigger motors and it couldn't handle the big motors, so that was my fault. But so far, Happymodel has been pretty good. You know, you should sponsor me, Happymodel. I could represent you, yes. This is an EP2. This is the best receiver ever. It never breaks, it never dies as long as you shrink wrap it. I've never killed one, but I've killed a few of the TBS ones. And then here, the Mobilite HD0. This is going to be my first time flying HD0, and I'm so excited. I'm very excited for this, and if it flies terribly, then I'm going to sell it or something. Okay, anyways, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you can experience all these things with me. I love you long time, okay? Goodbye.